ऊपर
मिलोट आइए नंबर 111099 में भी सी मिलोट पेज नंबर 8 111099
यस
इसमें पेज नंबर 8 ये लेटेस्ट ये मास्टर प्लान का चल रहा है पेज नंबर 8-9
ये देखिए आप पेज नंबर 8 एंड 9 इसमें सीरियल नंबर 36 खोलिए इनको स्टेट ये इसमें कंप्यूटर में खोल दीजिए सीरियल नंबर 36
कलर पेज है वो नीचे
36 खुल गया आपका इसमें देखिए पेज नंबर 8 एंड 9 दे आर सेइंग दैट दिस इज द मास्टर प्लान ये कह रहे हैं कि आपका मास्टर प्लान है और ये जो मास्टर प्लान में आप खसरा नंबर देख रहे हैं देखिए 16, 17, 18 पेज नंबर 18 में यहाँ पे रोड मुड़ा हुआ है ना और ये आगे देखिए जो पेज नंबर 9 है जो थोड़ा सा बड़ा है इसके बाद वाला इसमें भी ये यहाँ पे 18 पे रोड मुड़ा हुआ आ रहा है और आपने इनका कैंसिल कर दिया कि जो आपका जो प्लान है कॉलोनी का उसमें ये रोड जो है उसको आप स्ट्रेट दिखाइए
रोड जो है वो टिल्टेड है सर 2021 मास्टर प्लान में जो कि अभी प्रभावशील है सर उसमें दिस रोड इज टिल्टेड as shown in the map because this map is the land use map which is जो जिसको सर हमने enlarge किया हुआ है खसरों पर तो सेम जो मास्टर प्लान में रोड है सर वो यहीं पे शो हुई है
सेम यही रोड शो हो रहा है
टिल्टेड शो हो रहा है सर और हमने जो रिवोक किया था और हमने जो परमिशन भी हम देते सर 2021 मास्टर प्लान जो है उसके आधार पे देते
मास्टर प्लान 2021
and in that master plan the road is shown as same as this annexures
yes but
no they come Milot McCaldy come to page number 16 of this आइए
yes
the last Milot which is map this summation may be taken on record Milot what he says
16
Milot
yes
इसका मैप देखना पड़ेगा this 30 feet road is coming Milot if a bigger map would be needed
yes
Milot may have a physical copy Milot you have marked that
yes I can enlarge it
30 feet road is coming Milot from end of the map Milot may kindly see this one Milot 30
yes
feet height this has to go straight Milot as per the master plan अब इनने इसको Z बना दिया this is not there Milot now this would be that this is what they are trying to have Milot अगर ये स्ट्रेट रोड है अगर टिल्ट भी मानेंगे तो टिल्ट वुड नॉट कम टू अ Z तो 30 फुट की आती है और फिर वो पतली हो जाती है हाउ दिस इज पॉसिबल Milot देयर इज नो सच टिल्ट नाउ व्हाट दे आर प्रपोजिंग एंड व्हाट दे हैव डन इज दिस Milot वो 30 फुट की बहुत पहले से आई और आगे जाकर भी उसी अलाइनमेंट में आ जाती है बीच में ये Z क्यों बना रहे हैं और जबकि इनने खुद ने इनके प्लान में जब पहली बार जब ये रिस्पोंडेंट से प्लान सबमिट किया था इनने खुद बोला था कि आपने गलत रोड दिखाई है आप इसको ठीक दिखाइए और अलाइनमेंट ठीक करिए
yes ये पेज देखा आपने
sir this is the survey we had conducted sir this is the survey of the existing structures on the sites this doesn't show the proposed alignment of the master plan this only shows the existing roads which are on the site and the existing boundaries of both the Hasra 18 and 17 sir. This is not the proposed master plan road showing the proposed alignment that the alignment which shows the document which shows the alignment of the master plan we have
so that is correct जो आपने पहले पेज नंबर 8 और 9 देखा था
जी हाँ सर वो जो है लैंड यूज प्लान
तो रोड हैज टू बी अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट मैप ओनली
यस सर जो एडिशनल रिक्वायरमेंट टाइप किया हुआ है
अब ये एग्जिस्टिंग वो 30 फीट की रोड आके उस कॉलोनी पे खत्म हो रही है वो कैसे हो सकता है लॉजिकली इट हैज टू गो स्ट्रेट Milot टिल्ट भी होगा तो 30 फीट का टिल्ट होगा ना टिल्ट 20 फीट का 15 फीट का नहीं हो जाएगा and it is on 18 Milot if Milot may see that map Milot the tilt is on khasra number 18 the controversy is on 17 there is no tilt 17 it goes straight on khasra number 17 18 it turns around Milot तो 17 में तो स्ट्रेट ही जानी है। अब ये स्ट्रेट जाके खत्म कर देते हैं इनकी कॉलोनी में, फिर एक साइड रोड निकाल के बोलते हैं अब इसमें जो साइड रोड है उसको आप 30 मीटर पर डालो। This is not possible. It is contrary to the master plan, my lord. As the master plan exists, my lord, as P8, P9, page number 8 or page number 9, and this map. This is their survey. It's not my survey. It is their survey. यहाँ उतनी चौड़ी रोड आई और वो खत्म हो गई। कहीं पे भी इनके मास्टर प्लान में खसरा नंबर 17 में रोड टर्न नहीं हो रही, ट्विस्ट नहीं हो रही है, किसी तरीके से डाइवर्ट नहीं हो रही है। It goes in 18 only, my lord. So I wanted an affidavit from them, my lord. If this is correct, then this road has to go straight. ये मेडिकल कॉलेज से स्ट्रेट आ रही है रोड।
You file your affidavit regarding the position कि कहाँ पे टिल्ट हो रही है, कहाँ पे नहीं है, क्या है, रोड इज टू बी स्ट्रेट और टू बी टिल्टेड, और आपने अगर इसको चेंज किया है तो कहाँ पे चेंज किया है।
Sir, I would like to put before you, sir. In 2002, we got the direction from the directorate to tell the this road and connect it to the approved colony, which is the Bhutam colony. So there is 130 meters road, and this road is also there. So we got the direction from directorate to connect this road, and thus this road was tilted from 17, number 17.
वो भी नहीं हो सकता।
submit
In 2002,
They don't have
they-
authority, my lord.
2002.
They don't have an authority to do that also. If this is existing, my lord, master plan.
So how
They
you
don't have
can
any-
change master plan?
Sir, subsequently, sir, when we give the permission, we adopt it in the master plan. When we review the master plan, we subsequently adopt those changes or the directions which we get from the directorate or government. We take those records and we include those proposals in our review of the master plan, which we had done in 2009 when we published the master plan 2020.
My lord,
And
they may say,
based on
what
that-
they are saying, my lord, is incorrect in teeth of the fact that this is the recent maps that we have, my lord, we have taken out and downloaded from their site only, my lord. The maps don't show, my lord, any divergence, any tilt, any twist, my lord. If any authority subordinate to the state government has done it, they don't have an authority to do so, my lord. And why, if that was done, it is not reflected till 2024, my lord. Even if the map of, as on date is opened up, my lord, the same map which was there since 2000 is coming up till date, my lord. There is no divergence, my lord. If some internal order has been passed, that is non-exercise of law because they don't have an authority, my lord. The master plan has to be reviewed by the state government, and the master plan would prevail till it is not diverted or anything is not done by the state government. They may file an affidavit, my lord, that will clarify the situation. Because 17 there is no tilt. Still there is no tilt, my lord. And this was, my lord, earlier I read down those documents, my lord, from the TNCP only, where for this colony they said you have tilted the road, you make the road straight on, only then we will come up with a sanction, my lord. And suddenly they took a somersault, my lord, and their map was sanctioned. It was an illegal colony.
No, it was
And it's only two structures which are coming in the way. I've filed the photographs also, my lord. So they may file a detailed affidavit to the effect, my lord, whether in Khasara number 17 there is any diversion, tilt, my lord, passed by the state government or recommended or approved by the state government as per the Town and Country Planning Act, my lord. If not, my lord, then the road has to go as per the master plan, my lord. And there are only two structures which are coming in way, my lord. Rest, the entire road is straight and it is open. I have shown the photograph.
Respondent number 1 and 2 is directed to file an affidavit clarifying the alignment of road on Khasra number 17 and 18. Full stop. Respondent number 2 shall verify whether there was any order from state government for diverting the road at Khasra number 17 or not. If there is no order from state government, then how road was diverted by Town and Country Planning? Why and how it was diverted? List after vacations.
Let some fixed dates may be given. Anything.